Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to trade KuCoin futures. First, ensure your KuCoin account is fully verified. Navigate to the futures section on the platform and activate futures trading. This step is crucial for accessing the futures interface. You'll need to agree to the terms and conditions, acknowledging the inherent risks involved with leveraged trading. This sets the foundation for your trading journey. Once futures trading is enabled, you'll need to transfer funds into your futures account. From your main account, select the cryptocurrency you wish to use, typically USD, and move it to your futures wallet. This margin will be used to open and maintain your positions. Carefully choose your leverage. Higher leverage amplifies both profits and losses, so start with a lower amount. Now, let's place a trade. Select a futures contract, such as Bitcoin Perpetual, and decide on your order type like a limit or market order. Input your desired entry price, the quantity of contracts, and confirm your chosen leverage. Once placed, your order will appear in the Open Positions section. Keep a close eye on your trade and close it manually or with a stop loss. Effective risk management is paramount in futures trading. Always implement stop-loss orders to automatically close your position if the market moves against you, protecting your capital. Consider using take-profit orders to secure gains at predetermined levels. Diversify your approach and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.